Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can select an element by ID. Okay, in previous video, we have seen how we can select an element by tag name, and then we have seen how we can select an element using class name. Right? Today, we will learn how we can select an element using ID. Okay, so for example, this is what my h1 element. The h1 element class is what? 1. Okay, I'm giving ID as well. Okay, I'm giving one ID to this element. ID is what? ELE. I'm giving ID is what? ELE. But we can't give the same ID to two elements. Okay, we can't give the same ID of two element. Why? Because, for example, there is a roll number. Roll number is unique for everyone. No? For every student has a unique roll number. So you can't give the same roll number to all the students. That's the same concept here in ID. You cannot give the same ID to all the elements. You will give like single ID to the single element only. Okay, it should be unique. So how we can select an element which having ID ELE. So see, we will write here document dot get element by ID. Okay, and here we will write ELE, right? Okay, and we will store this tag inside a variable called A. Okay, ELE. We are what I'm writing here, get element. I'm not writing elements because ID is unique. Element by ID, and ID name is ELE, and ELE ID is given to which tag? This h1 tag. So which h1 tag it will select? It will select this h1 tag. Okay, so I will print here console.log. Okay, so if you will write A like this, so it will print complete h1 tag, but I don't want to print complete h1 tag. I just want to print this text. Okay, inner text. So what can I write? I can write here inner text. Print what? Inner text. Okay, so what it will print? It is printing h1. Okay, this is h1 element. Okay, so whenever you are writing ID, you don't need to mention here index. Okay, because index is not required. Why index is not required? Because you cannot give multiple ID. You will give same ID only. So there is no requirement to find elements. Okay, you can directly find using ID name. Okay, this is how it is printing. All right. So thank you everyone. In the next video, we will see how we can select an element using uh, tag name. Okay, tag name we have seen. We will see how we can select using query selector. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.